Doing a great B2B marketing is like baking a perfect cake. It may not work out the first time you do it. It may require some extra attention, but the truth is, if you nail down the ingredients, if you will have a good recipe, and if you follow this recipe step by step, there is a chance that people that you are going to serve your cake or your marketing message will be just thrilled and astonished by what you have prepared for them. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to cook a perfect marketing. The natural first step with baking a perfect cake or with preparing a good B2B marketing plan is to have the right ingredients. And with marketing, one of the most crucial ingredients that you can use is target audience. If you know who are you talking to, if you know what these people are interested in, if you have your ideal customer avatar nailed down, it will be easier for you to craft a message that will resonate with your audience. And when you know that your friends love the chocolate cake, there is a chance that if you will prepare a chocolate one, they will love it. The second most essential ingredient is the value proposition. So what is the problem that you are trying to solve, that you help your customers to solve? For example, we help small and medium companies operating in B2B environment to build efficient sales and marketing strategies. The third ingredient that you are going to need to build a great marketing recipe for your business is the content. So who is going to prepare the content? So who's going to do the grocery shopping for ingredients, or who is going to prepare the topping for the cake? And what kind of content you will present to your audience? Will it be a video? Will it be an article? Will it be a social media post? Or maybe, or most likely, mix of all of these types of content. And once you nailed down the ingredients, another thing that is essential to bake the perfect cake is to have a good recipe. And although you will probably need to reevaluate and reassess some of the nitty-gritty details in your marketing recipe, for sure you will need some sort of a process for continuous discovery of the problems that your audience is facing or experiencing in their day-to-day activities. Process for content creation that will not take you out inevitably from your day-to-day activities in your business, but at the same time will guarantee the steady flow of the new content that is relevant for your target audience. And the third, and I think one of the most essential elements of your marketing recipe, will be the plan for the content distribution. So who is going to publish what, in which channel, at which moment in time. So once you will make sure that you have the right recipe and the right ingredients, you need to buy naturally some kitchen appliances. And in case of your B2B marketing, this can be, for example, Canva, that can take a lot off of your plate when it comes to creating graphics for social media, when it comes to creating graphics for your articles that you will post on your website, or creating thumbnails for YouTube or any other assets that will be visually appealing for your audience. Another appliance that might come in handy is ChatGPT, that you can use to brainstorm and generate some new ideas for content, that you can use to create or co-create some social media posts for you. And if you will prompt it right, trust me, a lot of work can be taken off of your plate when it comes to creating copy. You can also use ChatGPT to create some of the articles for your website that will include certain keywords and phrases that will resonate with your audience. Another appliance that might come in handy or even be essential in your marketing efforts is to have some sort of email marketing tool or email marketing service, like for example ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, or MailChimp. When you have your ingredients, when you have your recipe, and when you have the right appliance, there is nothing left but to cook. And like with the cake, remember that there is a chance that you might fail, but don't get discouraged by that. marketing, and especially B2B marketing, is pretty complex. And there is no shame in doing a campaign that will not bring you enough leads or any leads at all. There is no shame in making a mistake while sending a broadcast to your audience. There is no shame in trying. And probably the only person that will remember about that in week, 2, or a month from now will be you and only you. Just remember to set up a certain parameters that will serve you as a benchmark in a second try. So if the topping was not quite right, maybe there is a chance to improve it the next time around. If the cake was not of the perfect shape, what can you do to make it a bit better looking the next time you will prepare it? And do not hesitate to ask your guests or your target audience for feedback about certain things that you are delivering. This might be the content in your social media, this might be a webinar, or this might be a poll that you will create on LinkedIn and ask what do they need, what was the thing that they've lacked in the last article, and so on and so forth. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel to find out more about great recipes for B2B sales and marketing success. Have a great day ahead, and thanks for watching.